How to find your PayPal account number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your PayPal account number. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first step that you will need to take is first know what your PayPal account number is. So if you're still confused about what an account number for your PayPal is, this is what your PayPal's official website has to say about that. So this is the PayPal's website, and as it says right here, your PayPal account is not identified by an account number or ID. So what this means is that when you set up your PayPal account number, you will have used either your email address or your mobile number. So your account is identified by the email address or mobile number that you log in with. So there is not actually a single specific unique account number that you're assigned, but it's the number or email that you use to log in with. So to receive funds using your account, you can just use your email address or your own number. And that is basically your PayPal account number. And I hope this video clears it out. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.